Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. So restarting the watch could be useful if, for example, something is not working properly on your watch, or it's somehow unresponsive, laggy, or something like that. You could try to restart it, and hopefully that will solve your problems. And to restart the watch, you can press and hold the lower button. And after a few seconds, the menu will appear on the screen. And here we have the power off button and reboot button. We want to reboot, so tap on reboot button, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will restart. And as you can see, the watch is done rebooting, and that's how you soft reset or restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.